Hey guys, before I start, please leave your suggestions in comments that how can I do better with my front end design. See you in there. Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to change the color scheme of my whole site. Actually, it has just a one landing page with different sections, and I'm going to change the color scheme of the complete page. As you can see it, I have used the green color with a color code hash 00FFAB. But now I'm not getting good feeling from this, so I decided to change the complete color of the page. So let's start. This is the complete script of my page, my whole site, and I'm just find and replace the color code. This is section 1, and I'm going to replace the complete color code of this page in section 1. Save, and I will change the color code in all the sections of my web page. As you can see, this is section 3, and the color will change after replacing it. The colors are visible because I have installed a color extension in brackets. Section 6, and I will replace the color code with hash FF7200, and it's done. I have used the media queries to get responsive web page. It's a reset.css, the main CSS file. This is the view before the changes. I have made, and after refresh you can see it. Wow, where's the nav background color? I think I did not change in nav.css, and let's change hash ff7200, replace all, and it's done. Let's save it and have a look over here. Refresh. Whoa, it's a very nice color. Here is some missing color. I think it's in index page, or here is the index page. In footer section I didn't make changes. And here is the color #FF7200, and we need white color with color code #FFF, and that's it. You can see it, a very nice preview. Okay, now let's have a look on the responsiveness of the site. I have used the media queries to get pixel perfect responsive site. I have done it with media queries to get responsive page on all level. This is a small view of a mobile, and we can see it